Out of your sippy cup? Are you figuring that one out? I think you got it upside down, buddy. Here you go. Here you go. First sippy cup. Oh my goodness. Look at Connor with his very first sippy cup. It's February 4, 2011. 7 months old and his first sippy cup. You like that? You working on it? You're gonna drop it, buddy. You want it back? Want to try again? You don't want it? Oh, you just kicked it away. Hey, silly. Alright, you want to go put your PJs on? Oh, no. Here you go. Oh, look at you. Does that feel good on your teeth? He's got 2 teeth coming in the bottom. Such a big boy. He's got teeth and now a sippy cup. Yeah. That's what I think too. What else? What else? Here you go, my love. Well, you'll have it mastered in a few days. Obviously haven't mastered it yet. It's upside down. Upside down, bud. Alright, we're gonna go put your PJs on. Say bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. No, you can't grab that. Okay.